Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got a nice lineup for you all. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I told you, we got a nice lineup for you all. I'm glad you stayed. The name of this watch face is called Concave Track. Now this developer, I like what he brings to the table so far as creativity is concerned. It's in the always on mode, and everything you see here, you're gonna see when we cut the watch face on. So let's just go ahead and cut it on for you. You see the difference? Now, what I like about the layout is that you got your separation in the things that you need to know the most. Now, down at the bottom gives you info on all your exercise and activity, miles walked or ran. You get info on your calories and your heart rate, and you can tap on each one of these and go right into it to get more info on whatever it is that you're looking for. Up at the top, it tells you right here that I completed 110% of my walk, of my step goal. I'm liking that. And then this is your battery percentage right here and your meter. I like the little meter, and you also get this little bell right here that lets you know, how you did throughout the week. So I'm liking this look. I like the PM stamp. You got your day and your date right here, and the digital time sits really, really nice in the center. I like this look. But if I double tap on the time, I can customize the color and the theme of the watch. You see that? Not bad, right? So you get 11 out of all. Just go ahead, keep double tapping until you get to the color you like. And the one at the top where the steps are right here, double tap there, and you can customize that color as well. So I think the developer did a great job with this watch face. Very different. It stands out among the rest. I like it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. You like it? Number 2 is called Dash Module 12 hours. This one is nice. Now, in always on mode, it does look good. It's dimmed down quite a bit, kind of blacked out. Now, once the watch face is on, very colorful, very nice, very unique. Now, what I like that's going on about this watch face off the top is in the center where you got your time, you got like a little radar look going on there. You get your time in digital, your month, your date, and your date. And over here to the left, you get all the info you can need for your steps. You can go and get your heart rate, miles walked or ran, your step info, and you get your battery meter at the bottom. At the top, you get info on how much of your goal that you have completed so far as your steps is concerned. And if I tap on the time, it's going to take me to my text messages. If I tap right here on the line at the bottom, it's going to take me to check out my weather info. Now, if I tap right up under January, I can customize the ring. This is nice. Depending on what I'm wearing for that day or whatever combination that I'm looking for, I can customize and change it. I can do the same thing with the bottom. If I do a single tap, I can change the color. So I could change the theme to whatever look that I want. Very nice looking watch face. This is worth the download in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. Last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, watch face number 3 is also nice. Now, the name of this is Confluence Track. Now, in always on mode, it's going to look the same. Really no difference. It's not even blacked out. It's just dimmed down just a little bit, right? So I'm liking this watch face already because I like separation. Over here, I got all my shortcuts. Over here, I got all the information I can need for my exercising. And yes, it is inactive, so you can tap on it and go deep off into the information that you're seeking. Same thing with your heart rate. I'm liking this. You got your phone, you got your settings, weather, music. So whatever you want to go into, all you got to do is tap on it and it opens right up. Let's tap on the time and I can customize the background color of this watch face, which I thought was nice. You get your steps up to the top, miles walked or ran down at the bottom. This is decent. This is a very nice looking watch face, and it's affordable. I'm telling you, you can afford this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, you know what to do. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. All right, you all, I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Continue, relax, eat good, and have fun. And I'll see you at the next one. Take care.